everyone, good afternoon. This is Aida again. I just wanna make a vlog for afternoon. Yeah, Aida here is very tired. I just finished for lunch uh, with soda with my friend in here. Okay, that's why. Look at this. I just eat some mochi before I eat. So I feel so full today. Alhamdulillah, guys. Okay, let's talk together again with me. Maybe I don't want to wear my glasses for this video. Everyone, hello everyone. Okay, this is Aida again. I just arrived my house and just finished for prayer, and then um uh I'm ready to start to make a video blog for after class meeting class today about event. Yeah, we discussed about event again, but still waiting for confirmation from my VR lecturer, so we can't know conclusion of this event again, because we have a pro and contra. Just waiting for information updating for this England Fest. We going home after lunch, and my friend uh, go home, just lunch and go home again. uh, early we want to practice drama, but my one friend is not present today. She's so busy, that's why we can't practice drama for today. Maybe tomorrow we have to drama again. Okay, now why to so login? And now look at this. I'm so very tired. I'm so sleepy here because this is afternoon and so hot. That's why I need to sleep. Yes, it's more comfortable to sleep this time for this time. Look at my nose. Today we wanna talk about maybe about my friend, or yeah, my friend. I have a friend and she was married and she have child. It's so pretty girl. You know, this is one my besties when I senior high school. We always going anywhere with her because we really match vibe. That's why she's really like with me, and I'm really miss her to meet again because we haven't met up now. Yeah, the first experience we going like to a forest and we going to beach. At the one time we going beach and waterfall. It's really challenging because we don't know uh, the route. We just seeing Google Map, but it's not worth it at the time because yeah, we still not knowing to the route for this, and we really like confused together, and we just ask some children there, but children there is very nervous because of me and not answer my we are cousin, just smile at me that we are, and making me more again to confuse. Yeah, this is my story at the time, guys see. And yeah, we arrived to her house at 4 o'clock again. It's make me feel comfortable because we just uh, take rice and some cake. Yeah, we buying at Santong Village. You know Santong Village, guys. Santong Village is in North Lombok, but here the in East Lombok have a Santong Village and Intrara Village. Intrara, yeah. North and East Lombok have Santong Village. The Santong Village really have so many like so many like beautiful cause so near uh, mountain Rinjani. Yes, there have a track to going Rinjani mountain. And we know the waterfall is really famous because yeah, social media. Since elementary school is very famous, Santong Village is very famous. But I don't know now the view of Santong Village again because I'm so long not to go again. After I'm as a student Sunandoy. So I'm really miss this place again, guys. Really miss. Santong Village. I have so many friends cause 6 year old there. I'm 6 year there to school like from senior like from junior until senior. Yes, I have so many friends there, and yeah, so excited sometimes. But it's not my dream school, because my dream school is Malimat Pancor. Yeah, this is the name of this school, but I can't go to school there because I'm so anyway. Anyway, guys, anyway. New what? This is from organization Sasak Lombok. And then guys, yeah, I have so many experience in any way. Um, like I'm so very excited and more excited, very excited. That's why, cause yes, my mom school in any way to like me. That's why make me feel like so very different, so very have like value. That's my teacher there. I'm really knowing my teacher is more funny like Sunandwe lecture. My class IPA, IPS. Yeah, my class is very naughty in teacher eyes. Yeah, we just really need to talk more when teacher have to explain subject sometimes, but yeah, we have more moment. I will not expect to graduate the time, and then yeah, one my friend need to have a planning college with me, but it's not reality. It's not this reality. Just planning, guys. So sad. My besties. Yeah, this is my besties. Say that. Uh, so earlier, but the dream still not can real. So I will separate so long, but still communication in wearing phone. Just for yeah. Uh, at the time I'm so closer with her, but now it's like stranger again. I'm so far again today. Now, I guess I'm so sleepy, guys. Her really wanted to playing with me sometimes, cause her really like this. I'm really excited too. And the first one is we try red velvet flavor together the first time this time, and we really naughty. My teacher is more have emotional. The first is the subject is from culture Makkah or Madinah. Yeah, this is make me so naughty, and I'm so late to join class. That's why my teacher is more uh mad, because we still going to lunch from near mosque. Yeah, this is my story. Senior high school. Until now, I'm very need to knowing my friend again. All of my friend in senior high school. I wanna meet again, guys. also miss you guys. Maybe when I have time, I wanna to rewatch this moment. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for listening me.